Good morning students, I am Seema Thakur, your physical education teacher. So today we will start our new topic BMI, that is body mass index. In this topic we will discuss body mass index and waist hip ratio. So let's start the topic. Measurement of obesity. Body mass index, that is called BMI, waist hip ratio and skin fold measurement. But in this topic we will discuss only first two, that is BMI and waist hip ratio. Body mass index. Body mass index BMI is a measure of body fat which is calculated on the basis of weight and height. It helps a person to know whether he is underweight, overweight or normal weight. Accordingly, he can think about gaining or losing weight. This is the formula of body mass index, how you will calculate your BMI. It's weight in kilogram and height in meters. In this table, you can easily judge yourself. Suppose your BMI is below 18.5, then you are underweight. If it's 18.5 to 24.9, then you are normal. 25 to 29.9, then you are overweight. 30 to 34.9, obese 1, class 1 category. Then 35 to 39.9, obese class 2 category. But if you are 40 and higher than 40, then it's extreme obesity, means it's a class 3 obesity. Tools used for measuring weight. Weight machine. It can be digital or dial, paper, pen or pencil. How do you measure weight on a scale? For measuring the weight, use a digital or dial scale. Place the scale on flat surface and step into it. The best time to weight yourself in morning after you empty your bladder. Stand still while taking weight. Weight should be equally distributed on both feet. While taking weight, you should wear minimum clothes or lightweight clothes. Your pocket should be empty, like purse, jewelry, mobile, while you are standing on a weight machine. Tools used for measuring height. Steadometer or measuring tape, paper, pen or pencil. Next is waist hip ratio. Waist hip circumference is the simplest and most common way to measure abdominal obesity. It is calculated by measuring the waist and hip, waist in between the lowest rib or belly button, hip at the widest diameter of buttocks, and then divide the waist measurement by the hip measurement. Things to keep in mind while taking waist hip ratio. Start at the top of your hip bone and then bring the tape measure all the way around your body, level with your belly button. Make sure it is not too tight and it's straight, even at the back. Don't hold your breath while measuring, checking the number on the tape measuring right after you exhale. Now we will discuss some risk factor due to obesity. Type 2 diabetes, pregnancy complication, liver disease, certain cancer, depression, heart disease, high blood pressure and stroke. In this slide, I am showing you if your energy intake is equal to expenditure, then your weight will be normal. In this slide, I am showing you if you will take more calories, energy intake will be more, then expenditure kam hoga, then weight will be increase. In this slide, I am showing you if you will take minimum calories, जितनी की रिक्वायरमेंट है उतनी भी आप नहीं ले रहे हैं एंड एक्सपेंडिचर इज मोर देन वेट लॉस मीन्स अंडर वेट होने के चांसेस सबसे ज्यादा होते हैं. एक्सरसाइज. The best way to do this is to decrease daily calories by about 500 and increase your exercise. Whether you walk or jog, it is important to exercise at least 60 to 85% of your maximum heart rate. I hope in this video your all doubts are clear. So thank you so much for watching this video.